For those seeking the best slider window installation in Tampa, Florida, our team of professional window installers offers top-notch services. We specialize in custom slider windows Tampa and vinyl slider windows, ensuring that your home or business benefits from energy-efficient windows. Our expertise in sliding glass windows and double-pane windows makes us the go-to choice for window replacement in Tampa. Energy-efficient windows in Tampa, Florida are essential for reducing energy costs and enhancing comfort. Our insulated window solutions and noise-reducing windows are designed to meet the unique needs of Tampa Bay residents. With our window design consultation, you can choose from a variety of options, including hurricane impact windows and affordable window options, to suit your style and budget. Tampa Bay window experts provide comprehensive window replacement services, including window frame replacement and window hardware replacement. Our window maintenance Tampa services ensure that your windows remain in top condition, offering long-lasting performance. We also offer window sealing services and window screen replacement to keep your windows functioning optimally. For commercial window services in Tampa, Florida, we deliver reliable and efficient solutions. Our commercial windows Tampa FL offerings include sliding window upgrades and window glass replacement, tailored to meet the demands of businesses in the area. Trust our team for all your window needs, from window tinting services to sliding window locks. Affordable slider windows. Tampa are within reach with our competitive pricing and exceptional service. Our residential window solutions in Tampa Bay cater to homeowners looking for quality and value. Whether you need window replacement Tampa or window maintenance Tampa Bay, we have the expertise to deliver outstanding results. Vinyl windows. Tampa, Florida are a popular choice for their durability and low maintenance. Our selection of double-pane windows, Tampa and sliding glass windows, Tampa ensures that you find the perfect fit for your property. With our window design Tampa services, you can customize your windows to enhance your home's aesthetic appeal. Hurricane windows. Tampa are a must-have for protection against severe weather. Our window frame replacement Tampa and window hardware replacement Tampa services ensure that your windows are ready to withstand the elements. Choose our professional window installers, Tampa, for peace of mind and superior craftsmanship. Window sealing Tampa and noise-reducing windows. Tampa are essential for creating a comfortable living environment. Our sliding window locks Tampa provide added security, while our window screen replacement services keep your home protected from pests. Trust our Tampa sliding window installation experts for all your window needs. Custom window solutions. Tampa are available to meet the diverse needs of our clients. From affordable slider windows Tampa to insulated windows. Tampa FL, we offer a wide range of options to suit any requirement. Our window design consultation services help you make informed decisions about your window upgrades. Window maintenance. Tampa is crucial for preserving the longevity and performance of your windows. Our sliding window upgrades Tampa and window glass replacement. Tampa services ensure that your windows remain in excellent condition. Rely on our Tampa window replacement services for prompt and efficient solutions.